Hello there. So you don't know how you can set up your Bitwarden Authenticator on your mobile device. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So to set up the Bitwarden Authenticator on mobile, first install the Authenticator application on your device. So first thing first, simply go ahead and open your App Store or Play Store and then simply go ahead and search for Bitwarden Authenticator. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and download and install this onto your phone. Then go to your Bitwarden web vault. And then simply go ahead into two-step login and then simply go ahead and click on manage and then click on authenticator app. Simply go ahead and open your Bitwarden and click on add code and simply scan the code that is shown there. Once you've done that, it is going to be completely set up. You could also simply add other accounts to your Bitwarden Authenticator application by just clicking on add code, and that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.